In this video, I will show you how to block calls from all unsaved number or contact in your contact list on your Android phone. If you want to completely get right and block or no number and private number or spam calls on your Android phone, this video right here is for you. First thing first, what you need to do is to go ahead and look for your phone master. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and then simply scroll down right here. Click on privacy and security right here. Then proceed to block unwanted calls. Then go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Click on filter rules. All you have to do is to make sure you turn on this particular toggle button. Block numbers not in contact. When it is enabled, call from numbers that are not saved as contact will be blocked. Go ahead and hit on OK. And with that, you are in full control of blocking every spam number that might try to call you on your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.